It worked great. About SOODATEK 300W portable power station, peak 600 watt, 293 watt-hour solar generator with 60 watt USB-C PD output, 110 volt pure sine wave AC outlet, lithium battery backup. We will introduce the features and brief details, what's features including. To make a decision before buy order. Steady power supply. SOODATEK 300W power station produces a 300 watt, peak 600 watt, pure sine wave output to power a variety of equipment and tools. Ideal for any situation where more power is needed for more equipment, such as travel, camping, or group outdoor activities. Multiple charging ports, featuring one AC outlet, one PD 60 watt USB-C port, one USB QC 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, 2 DC 5525 output, one cigarette lighter. The power station can recharge itself and charge up to 7 devices at the same time to satisfy your outdoor needs. 3 charging options. SOODATEK power station can be charged via an AC outlet, a solar panel, or a car outlet. Built-in MPPT, maximum power point tracking control, so it can extract the maximum power from the solar panel, optimizing the utilization of variable power sources like a solar generator. Upgraded battery management system. Not only will the power station automatically stop charging any device when it's full, it will also offer short circuit and power surge protection for electronics that constantly need electricity. The same battery management system comes into play when charging the generator with solar power, ensuring none of the circuits get fried. What's more, it's designed to keep itself from overheating with its silent built-in dual cooling fans. If you hesitate or have questions, we recommend that you click the link in the YouTube details, to see all the detail before actually ordering. And of course, we are affiliated with Amazon. You can get early reviews of products with little or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter purchasing decisions. If you think our channel useful for you, you can press subscribe, press the bell and select all to receive instant notifications for all future uploads.